Mechanic service. This is a 2009 Nissan Altima. Has a push button start. Okay, as you can see, the red key is flashing. Car will not start. I have the keys in my hand. This is the key fob. Nothing. Okay, says it's locked. You put the key where it's supposed to go. It says take it out. It's not working. Still nothing. Now watch this. What you're going to want to do is pop off this side panel right here. And once you pop off the side panel, there's going to be a screw to take this panel off. Somebody's already took it down once prior. But you see this box right here? That box right there, this is the whole problem why this car don't start. This is actually a factory recall for this component on this steering column. What you have to do to get your car to run when you're in a pickle and you can't get it to start and you're stranded out in this lovely weather. Yes, my friends, a hammer. A hammer will save you from having to go to the dealership and spend $600 plus a tow and all that lovey-dovey stuff. Now check this out. Make sure you put your key fob in its little hole. Take your hammer and start whacking. Test it. Nothing. But it will. Here we go. You ready? Oh, hang on a second. I dropped the key. Okay, in this particular case, the box smacking didn't work. The components too froze because it's cold outside. But as soon as you dismantle that whole unit, I'll have another video. You got to push these two buttons in exactly at the same time and hold it, and the car will start. But the bad part about it is you have to have these two buttons touching at all time. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to bypass that so this vehicle will start every time.